In this video today, I'm going to show you how to cook fresh corn in the microwave in 3 minutes. Stay tuned so you can learn. Your first step is to cut the end off on the corn, both ends, to cut them off. And if you have some dead looking little spring pieces here, pull them off also. Okay, now here's the corn. This is fresh sweet corn. And then I'm just going to run some tap water down in the center of it, a little tap water. Now the corn is ready to go in the microwave for 3 minutes. So I'm going to place the corn in here, set the timer for 3 minutes. And we're going to let it cook, and I'll be back in the 3 minutes. The corn is out of the microwave for the 3 minutes, and now we just pull the husk back. You see it smoking, the heat, and that some people call it hair. The strings, they just come right off. This is the best corn when you cook it in the microwave, and it only takes 3 minutes. Just look here. Fresh corn from the garden, cooked in the microwave for 3 minutes. This goes along with the fresh tomatoes. They also come from our garden. So if you want to fix some corn fast, this is the way to do it. Put it in your microwave for 3 minutes in the husk. And then after 3 minutes, take it out and just pull that husk off. Take all the silks off, and you are ready to eat. Put you some butter on this corn. Some butter on top of it, and this is the finished product. Let me know if you try it, how you like it, what you think about it. I would like to know your reactions to cooking corn, fresh corn on the cob in the microwave. Thank you for coming back today and learning how to fix corn in the microwave. Have a blessed day.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a